At MWC 2023, OnePlus confirmed it will be coming out with its own foldable phone to potentially challenge Samsung's best-in-class devices. This marks a new direction for creators of some of the best Android phones, and with its first-ever tablet, the OnePlus Pad, turning out to be an excellent iPad alternative, things are looking good for OnePlus' first foldable too. Since this is OnePlus' first attempt at a foldable, it has the luxury of a blank canvas and the challenge of trying something new. The OnePlus V Fold, as the phone seems likely to be called, could however take inspiration from the OnePlus 11, which was released in February 2023, and considering how positive our OnePlus 11 review was, we would be happy to see similarities. As it stands, Samsung currently dominates the best foldable phone rankings. Could OnePlus change that? We won't know until later this year, but we can fill in some of the blanks based on what we know about the OnePlus V Fold so far. During a panel discussion at MWC 2023 in February, OnePlus confirmed that it will be launching its foldable phone in the second half of the year. While one Weibo leaker speculates that the phone might make its debut in September, tech insider Max Jamber suggests that we might see the phone as early as August. As anticipation builds around this highly anticipated device, fans of OnePlus will have to stay tuned for more updates on the phone's release date and features. An August launch would mean the V Fold arrives shortly after the Google Pixel Fold and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, two of its biggest competitors. If you're eyeing the OnePlus V Fold, be prepared to shell out a considerably higher amount compared to the OnePlus 11's $699 starting price. Given that many speculate that the V Fold will be a modified version of the Oppo Find N2, which currently sells for $1,120, it's highly likely that the foldable phone will come with a price tag to match its premium features. As with all high-end devices, buyers should be prepared to pay a premium for cutting-edge technology and innovative design. One of the hurdles for Oppo's foldable phones is their unavailability in the US market. However, with OnePlus having a presence in the country, there's a good chance that the OnePlus V Fold will reach a wider audience. This is exciting news for foldable phone enthusiasts, especially given that Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 currently face little competition in the market. If the OnePlus V Fold does indeed arrive in the US, it could provide a much-needed shakeup to the foldable phone market and offer consumers more options to choose from. As a sister company to Oppo, OnePlus may turn to that company's foldables, the Oppo Find N2 and Oppo Find N2 Flip, for inspiration, if not more. Considering its supposed foundation of the Oppo Find N2, we can hope to see some of its best features make their way to OnePlus. The water drop hinge in particular is a great way of having a foldable display with a less pronounced crease down the middle of the interior screen. According to recent rumors, the OnePlus V Fold is expected to feature cameras from Oppo's Find N2/N3 and Find X6 handsets. This would include a 50MP primary camera, a 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 32MP 2x telephoto camera on the back, as well as a 20MP outer selfie camera and a 32MP inner selfie camera. If these rumors turn out to be true, the V Fold could provide users with an impressive range of camera capabilities, making it an attractive choice for those who value high-quality photography and videography on their mobile devices. OnePlus has the opportunity to shake up the foldable market in the US, as well as Europe and the UK. While Samsung dominates this new category, we hope to see plenty of competition in the future. With the arrival of the OnePlus V Fold later this year, as well as the Google Pixel Fold, we might see Samsung get some much-needed competition from recognized brands. Finally, what are your expectations from upcoming OnePlus V Fold? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section. Hope you like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in the next one.